are ready to actually start applying the grout. Here we've got our trusty floater with some grout on it. And as you can see, the tile itself is designed, it has like some deep recesses in the face of the tile, as well as some spaces in between the sections of the tile. And so we're gonna smush some grout in all of that, and when we're done, it's gonna look like it's a bunch of little separate pieces, but you and I will know that it's not. So here we go, here's our grout, and we're just gonna apply it. And then when you're kind of done with the section, as I just did, you kind of scrape off as much of the excess as you can. And then we'll go back over it with a sponge and really clean things up. So here we are, our tile, or grout rather, is starting to dry a little bit, as you can see here. So we're going to take our trusty sponge and a gloved hand to start cleaning it off. So really I just kind of do a swirly motion. That seems to kind of make sure you've gotten all of your spaces covered, you know, and work in any spots that you may have missed. And then I would take the clean side of it, put a little pressure on, and just drag it over. So you can see that is pretty clean compared to that right there, but I really wouldn't go over it more than like a time or two. So really one pass kind of gets you pretty clean.